On the 15th of March, Baku Appeals Court, presided over by Judge Ulvi Mailov, heard the appeal filed by Khram newspaper chief editor Avaz Zeynalli and his lawyer Elchin Sadykhov against October 9, 2012 decision of the Baku Administrative Economic Court No. 2, which denied the journalist's lawsuit against Baku Investigative Prison. Avaz Zeynalli sued the prison over the searches before his meeting with his lawyer and confiscation of his letter from the lawyer. Judge Ulvi Mailov denied the journalist's appeal. Avaz Zeynalli was arrested on October 28, 2011 on charges of taking large bribes, extortion, contempt of court, and tax evasion. On the 12th of March 2013, Baku Grave Crimes Court sentenced him to 9 years in prison.